In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SHEIN. This complete beginner's guide is designed to help you navigate the SHEIN website with ease, whether you're shopping for clothing, accessories, or discovering the latest trends. We're going to walk through the process step by step to ensure you have the best shopping experience possible. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head to the SHEIN website by typing in view.shein.com. This is your starting point where you can access all that SHEIN has to offer. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to register or log in. You have various options to log in, such as using your email, your Google account, Facebook, or even your Apple ID. Choose whichever method you're most comfortable with, and you'll be ready to start setting up your account. To set up your account, click on the Me section, and then navigate to Profile. Here you'll fill in your personal details. These include essential information that SHEIN needs to process your orders smoothly. After completing your profile, the next important step is to fill in your address details. Go to the address book and click on Add New Address. Be sure to provide your full name and an active phone number, which will be used to send you delivery updates. Enter your full address, including details like street, city, province, and your postal or zip code. Don't forget to select your country or region. If this is your primary address, you might want to set it as your default to make checkout faster in the future. After entering all your details, tap on Save to ensure everything is recorded. Now that your account is set up, you can start browsing and searching for products. Utilize the handy search bar or explore different categories to find what you're looking for. You can narrow down your choices by applying filters such as price, size, color, or even popularity to find items that best suit your style. Clicking on a product will give you all the details you need, including sizes and reviews, which are crucial for making informed decisions. Once you find something you love, if you're ready to purchase, choose the size, color, and quantity of the item. Then, you can simply tap Add to Cart if you're buying now, or Add to Wish List if you want to save it for later. The wish list is a great tool to track your favorite items or revisit them in the future. For beginners, to ensure a successful shopping experience, always check the size charts before making a purchase. Reading product reviews and looking at photos from other buyers can provide additional insights. To make the most of your shopping, don't forget to use any available coupons, points, and discount codes to save some money. And remember, the wish list is there to help you track your favorite picks for future buys. With these steps, you should find shopping on SHEIN straightforward and enjoyable. Enjoy exploring all that SHEIN has to offer.